Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I'm going to show you how you can get infinite cash in OWO bot. Like as you can see that I have a lot of cash in the OWO bot, or you can call it OWO bot currency. So let me show you how I did that and how you can do it too. And if you watch this video all the way till the end, then I can guarantee that you will walk away with OWO bot cash. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Alright, so before I jump on to the real deal, let me talk about the basic commands of this bot. You might know the basic commands which can help you get OWO cash or OWO currency. So the basic commands are like OWO daily and OWO hunt and OWO sell all. So these are all the basic commands that you might already know about, and now let me talk about the real deal. Alright, so now it might be a little bit complicated, so you can follow me through this. So you'd want to type in OWO HB. Alright, so what this command has done is that it has set up a automatic hunting bot on your profile, and you can like return after 30 minutes and it will have captured some animals, and then I'll tell you the further steps. Alright, so now once it is done, you'd want to type in this command OWO HB. And what this is going to do is that it is going to list all of the results that you have got from this hunt bot. And once you see the results, what you'd want to do is that you'd want to type in OWO SC all. And now you'd want to upgrade your bot, so you'd want to type in OWO upgrade. And as you can see that the bot has been updated. And now once you have upgraded it, you'd want to do OWO auto hunt. Alright, so I have one more trick for you guys, but before I jump onto that, I would like to tell you that we have a dedicated OWO guide channel in our Discord server, in which you can gain OWO currency or OWO cash quicker than other people. So make sure to check out my Discord server. I am going to drop the link in the description below, and let's talk about the second way. So the second way you could go about getting infinite OWO coins is by using the OWO battle. And now you would want to type in OWO zoo, and let's say I want to add this animal, so you can see the animal name by hovering over the emoji. And now we can do OWO B, which means OWO battle. And as you can see that we lost this battle because we did not have many weapons. But as I mentioned in the previous step, how you can set up a auto hunt bot in OWO, which you can use to increase your capacity in the OWO battles. And if you want to know more tricks about the OWO bot, then you can definitely join my Discord server, and we have a dedicated OWO guide channel which you can access, and you can find out various working tricks that I post and keep updating them. So guys, that was it for this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.